Hello, this is how to add and edit pages on Bailey's Bouncers website, and also checking contact forms, checking the sliders, and editing the sliders. So first of all, you log in with the username and password we gave you into the WP-admin. After that, you can go to pages here. Over here, you can see all the pages of the website. So if you notice that each page has a dash here. So this one dash, that means this is a main page. Two dashes, that mean this page is under the parent page over here. So if you go, we have about 5 pages here. These 5 pages has each one of them two dashes. This one dash, Animal Farms, because it's a parent page, and two dash, that means it's a child page. Now that was basic knowledge just to start with the video. Now let's start with here. Go to the website. In here you can see the content, all the content of the page on the website. You can click edit. In the edit page here, you can see the page structure. First, slider, nectar style slider on the top left here. Then after that, the pages, the URLs for the inner pages. Then you can see the image on top, the title, the text, then read more. Same thing, picture on top, title, text, read more. That goes for the whole website. All right. Now, this is the text in the middle of the page, and here you have the clients that you have added on the home page. On the home page, you can see a scrolling bar on the bottom. This scrolling bar comes from. You can click on Edit Client and see what is the page, the URL, the picture. Sorry. Okay, let's start from the top. Now, to edit the 4 boxes here on the home page, they are structured from image, title, text, and read more. So basically, to change the image, you need to click on single image on the edit button here and choose whatever the image that you want. The image sizes need to be 600 by 300 for resolution purposes. And after you change the image, click Save Changes. And if you want to edit the title, click and edit here. You can edit the title to whatever you want. After you finish editing the title, click Save Changes. The same for the text, the same for the button. The button is only about the URL. You can change the URL here to the URL that you want. Now, after you finish all the changes, make sure that you click Update. Let's see now how to edit the slider. If you click on the slider, you can see all the slides on the home page. To add a new slide, click on Add New and add a picture. You can add the image background from here. And then after that, after you add the image background, you can choose the slider location. After you finish, click Publish and you'll get the new slider. I'm not going to click Publish now because we don't need a new slider. Okay. Now, for all the images, it's the same thing. If you want to edit them, click on Edit. Again, you upload the image. You select keep it selected here, unless if you don't want it anymore, just unselect it, but keep it selected here. And if you want to remove this image, you can just click on remove. And if you want to upload a new one, after you click remove, there will come up a button saying upload. All right, this is about the slider on the home page, and this is how to add the home page, edit the home page. Now let's take a look on editing the services, because it's the only thing that's a little bit complicated. Okay, let's go to one of the services. So on this page, you can see there is a lot of images here. These images you need to add manually. So you need to click on edit page here. If you want to add something new or edit one of these, okay. When you get into the page, you can see the list of the images. Okay, let's say we want to add a new image in at the end. You need to click duplicate row on clone this row here. Remove all the others if you unless if you want to keep them there. But remove the others. It's better to not have duplicate content. And keep one just for you to edit. Now you can edit this image as I showed before. You can just edit the image with a new image, whatever you want the image to look like. But just please make sure that the resolution for this image should be 349 with by 345. And the text here, the same. You can edit this text, and if you want to edit the URL of this text, just select all the text and click edit here, and you can put the new URL. After you finish, click save your changes and update. If you thought that you cloned a row by mistake, you need to click delete row here and click OK, and the row will be deleted. After they finish, click update. Now, let's go to see one of the inner pages, how they look like. For a 9D cinema, in the 9D cinema, as you see on the right hand side is the details of the page. On the left hand side is the slideshow, the image slideshow. Okay, so now if you want to edit anything here, you just click on edit and do the changes that you want. It's similar to the others. The only tricky part is here, because each one of these uh, has code. So when you want to edit it, it's better if you click on text and change the text here, so you don't do any mistakes, because these are tables, and tables are really sensitive for the code. Now, edit the image, again, you can just click on edit image and go to each one of these items. Each one of these items has its own image. After you finish, click update. Now, as you see on the right hand side, you can see parent. On the parent side here, you can choose which is the parent of this page. Let's say we wanted under animal farm. We click on animal farm and then click update. That will put this page under animal farm. And after that, we need to go to the previous parent and delete this page, and go to the animal farm and add this page in it, as I showed before. All right. If you worry that you have did the wrong changes, you have something here called revisions. These revisions are important to browse and go back in time for the old changes. Go back in time to what day. After that, you click restore revision and you'll get all the changes back. All right, that's all for teaching how to add and edit pages. Thank you very much for watching.